All right, so someone did want me to look at YFI from the live stream. So we're going to look at it right now. The weekly chart to me is rolling over. You did not break a previous high, so to me the weekly chart is still bearish, and I believe you're below the 200-day moving average chart on the weekly chart. The 3-day chart to me, 3-day chart is still in a massive downtrend, so still be careful. Although you have some support there, you got a bounce off that local low at 3,900. So that is going to be good support, although that is still a ways away. Let's go to the daily chart now. Daily chart, let's zoom in a little bit so I can kind of see the price action. The daily chart is obviously in a massive downtrend. You can draw the resistance, downsloping resistance line, and that's kind of where you got rejected off of. It's eventually going to touch the support, and then you should have probably a breakout. You might get a double bottom here at 3,900, and then get the moonshot up. We'll see what happens. That's not guaranteed, of course. But daily chart is it's about to bounce based on what it's looking like. Also, it looks like you're getting a double bottom here when you zoom into the smaller time frames at 5,300. So that's another local low for right now. At least as long as you hold 5,300, that's going to be a local low. And then that means that you might get the breakout of, maybe around the 14th of January. That could be a possibility, which is in about 3 weeks. So that's kind of what I'd be looking at. But even on the daily chart, you're below the 200-day moving average, and the 4-hour chart, you're still below the 200-day moving average. Also, on the 4-hour chart, you are overbought, and you really didn't have much of a rally. In fact, you probably made a lower high. So the 4-hour chart, smaller time frame is looking bearish to me. 1-hour chart is just kind of going sideways the last few days. So to me, the 4-hour chart doesn't look great. Daily chart is due for the bounce though. So smaller time frames don't look great. Daily chart still looks good to me, as does the 3-day chart also has more downside a little bit. So as long as you hold, let me go back to the daily chart. If you can hold this double bottom that you have right now at 53.63, or we'll call it 5,300, as long as you stay above 5,300, you're good. If you lose 5,300, the next support I see, really the next major support would be 3,900. So that's kind of it for YFI. That you have to stay above 5,300 to remain bullish. If you do that, then you can probably have a nice move to the upside. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you like and subscribe. And if you don't like this video, make sure you just hit that dislike button twice. I'll see you guys in the next one.